Transferring your photos from Google Photos to Amazon Photos is simple. This helps you back up and organize your images in another cloud service. Start by opening Google Photos. Check the photos you want to transfer. To move all photos, you will need to export your data. Open your browser and go to your Google account. Search for Google Takeout. This tool lets you download your data. Select Google Photos from the list. Click Next to continue. Choose your export settings. Select file type and size. Then click Create Export. Google will prepare your files. This may take some time depending on your data. Once ready, you will receive a download link. Open the email from Google. Click the link to download your photos. Save the file to your device. If the file is zipped, extract it. Now open Amazon Photos. Sign in to your account. Look for the upload option. Select the photos you downloaded. Start the upload process. Wait for the upload to complete. Once done, open your Amazon Photos gallery. You should see all your transferred images. This method helps you move your photos safely. Now your photos are backed up in Amazon Photos. And that's how you transfer Google Photos to Amazon Photos easily.